In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change your preferred name on Notion. Whether you're looking to update your display name for personal reasons or simply want to make your workspace feel more like you, these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening Notion in your preferred web browser. If you're not already signed in, now's the time to enter your login details to access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the main page of your workspace. This is generally where you'll see an overview of your pages, tasks, or whatever arrangements you've set up. The next step is to click on your workspace profile. You can usually spot this by looking for a small icon or image at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu with various options regarding your account and workspace preferences. Once you've opened the workspace profile menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking here will direct you to a new page that covers a wide array of settings for your Notion environment. Don't worry, it may seem overwhelming at first glance, but we're focusing on just one primary setting today. Within the settings area, you should see a list of categories or tabs. Find and click on General. This category is where you manage basic account information like your name and email address. Selecting General will display fields and options that can be adjusted to update your basic profile details. Now, here comes the part where you actually change your name. Locate the field that is labeled Name or something similar. This should have your current display name in Notion. Click into this field to activate it and clear out the existing text. Go ahead and type in the new name you wish to use. Remember, this is how people in your shared spaces will see you, so pick something you're comfortable with. Once you've entered your new preferred name, you're just one step away from completing the process. Look for a button nearby that says Update or Save Changes and click it. This action saves your new name to your Notion account. You'll see the changes take effect immediately, with your updated name appearing throughout your Notion environment. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully changed your preferred name on Notion. This update ensures that your display name reflects how you want to be recognized across all your Notion spaces. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time for more helpful tips and step-by-step tutorials.